Here's how you can connect your WordPress site with Narrato for swift and easy publishing. The first step is to link your WordPress site to Narrato. To begin, click on the settings icon next to your Workspace name. Then, go to the Publishing section. Click on Connect an account and choose WordPress. Now enter your WordPress blog or website URL, and click Next to proceed. This will redirect you to your WordPress dashboard, where you can grant approval for this connection. You then have to confirm and proceed with the setup on Narrato. You will be asked if you want to fetch the latest tags, categories, and authors data from your WordPress site. Click on Fetch to allow. This will automatically generate a new WordPress content template, with all the content fields corresponding to your WordPress site, including the fetched data from tags, categories, and authors. This template will be available under Content Templates on the Customize menu. You can publish content to WordPress from the Content task page. To do this, you must first apply the WordPress publishing template. Open the content item and click on Apply Template. Select the auto-generated WordPress template, and click Apply. Once your WordPress publishing template is applied, you can add your content and select the relevant categories, tags, and authors fetched from WordPress. In case of any new entries to these fields on WordPress, you can sync them with the template on Narrato anytime. Once all the content is ready, click on Publish and select Publish to WordPress. Now choose the WordPress account from which you wish to publish, the content type, and whether you want to save, schedule, or publish the post. Then click Publish or Save Content. You can even publish multiple content items to WordPress in one go. For this, select the items. Click on the Publish icon that appears on the Bulk Actions bar and select the option to publish or save content to WordPress. Then follow the same steps as earlier to save or publish your content. Automate content publishing and save hundreds of resource hours. Try out Narrato's WordPress publishing integration today.